Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose one alternator. Basically this alternator not working. Before I go to the job, I'm going to show you how to diagnose your own if your alternator is not working. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get my new videos. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. First of all, I'm going to show you how to check the battery voltage. This is positive line, this is negative line. Now you can see it's 12.8 there. At the moment battery has a 12.08 volts. Then I'm going to the alternator underneath here. We need to lift up this cover. Right, now we can see this is the alternator. Very easy place. Basically this battery fully dead. I'm going to give my jump starter. Positive first, negative second. Switch on. Right. I'm going to start the car now. Right, now car start. After that I need to remove this clip. Just lift up from here like this. Leave it out of way. I'm going to remove my jump starter. I'm going to check the battery in. See the 12.8, 12.16. Right. Again come to the alternator end. Still same voltage like a battery, which means this alternator not doing the job. Also I'm going to switch off the car now. And some scenarios, if your belt not correct, if it belt loose, that means the alternator not doing the good job. This belt nice and stretched, that means I'm happy for the belt. I'm going to say at the moment this alternator fault. I'm going to change the alternator. If you want to see how am I going to change the alternator, I'll mention another link in below. Follow that link and you can find out how we're going to change the alternator. At the moment I'm going to stop this video now. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. Thank you. See you with another video.